Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a room in Element Messenger step by step. Rooms are the main way people communicate in Element and the Matrix network, making it easy to chat, collaborate, and share information with individuals, teams, or communities. So let's get started. First, open the Element Messenger app on your computer or mobile device and sign in to your Matrix account. Once you're on the main screen, click or tap the New Room, Create Room, or Plus button, depending on the version of Element you're using. Next, enter a name for your room. Choose a clear and descriptive name so participants can easily recognize its purpose. You can also add a room description or topic if that option is available. Now choose the room's privacy settings. You can create a private room that only invited members can join, or a public room that other Matrix users can discover and join, depending on your needs. If available, enable end-to-end encryption for private conversations to improve security. After configuring the room settings, click or tap Create Room. Once the room has been created, invite friends, coworkers, or community members by searching for their Matrix IDs or sharing an invitation link if your home server supports it. Finally, start the conversation by sending your first message, sharing files, or adjusting additional room settings such as permissions, notifications, and room avatars to customize the experience. And that's it. You now know how to create a room in Element Messenger and start collaborating securely with other Matrix users. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hey everyone, welcome.